Hi, good morning guys. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for being here. My name is Wiesje and today I would like to review for you guys this amazing beauty device from LNL Skin. It's the MAMI hot and cold massage tool, and I can't wait to tell you more about it. First, I quickly would like to tell you I have a little bit of a cold going on, so if you do hear that my voice is a little bit different, I'm so sorry. I just could not wait any longer to review this beautiful tool for you guys. And the colds, it's now here for like a week or so, it, you know, I just thought I'm just gonna get on with it, and it is what it is. So I have a little bit of water on the side, so in case, you know, you see me grab my water a little bit more often, that's just because of my throat. It's a little bit funny. But yes, let's dive straight into this amazing device. If you watched my previous videos, I have already reviewed one of the other tools, which I am obsessed with, and I am so lucky to review today the hot and cold massage tool from LNL Skin. It's the MAMI. So I am going to open the box. So the box is very, very sleek, gorgeous packaging, very, very nice. Then we have the little bag here. So I feel the packaging is so luxurious, and I love luxurious packaging. I think it just gives a little bit of extra, and the packaging is just really lovely. So it comes in like a little bag, and then the box is in there. And what is in the bag is, first of all, you have your headband, which is so helpful. I use this kind of headbands twice a day, morning and evening routine, so you can generally never have enough headbands. So this is one nice thick white one from LNL Skin, so that one is in the back. Then we have a little pink bag where you can put your device in. I love this because obviously this is quite, it's not huge but quite big in case you want to take it with you traveling. It's so good that you have a little bag where you can put your device in, and you can just put it in your suitcase or in your handbag when you're gonna travel. So this is super helpful. Also for storage, you know, in your home. So it comes with a little bag as well. Then this is the bag where you can actually put your device in. So this little white one here as a little protection. So you put your device in this one, and then you put it in the beauty bag. So that one. Then we got the charger, which I got in here as well. I put it back in the package so I got everything together. So there is your charger, like that. And it comes with one of these silicone brushes, which is so helpful as well. These ones are actually really good to apply a face mask, for example. I'll show you. Let me just take out the packaging. Don't know if you can see it, like that. So it has like a silicone kind of applicator, so that works really, really well. And this could work as a spatula as well. So very, very clever little tool. And then also I actually put the stand for the device in the bag as well. I will show you when I take out the device. So this is everything that comes with the device. I feel it's really, really complete. You have so many different bits, which I think is so, so helpful. So now let me unbox the device for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. It's gorgeous. I know the first device that I tried from them, I was already obsessed with the design because the design is so, so sleek. It just looks super luxurious. I love the way it feels in the hand as well. It's very heavy. It doesn't feel like, you know, sometimes when you have like a device and it feels cheap, like light in the hand, cheap plastic, and you feel like, oh, when this drops once out of my hand on the bathroom floor, it's done. This is not like that at all. It feels heavy in the hand, but comfortable heavy. It has a gorgeous, gorgeous design, and I feel it's a great size as well. So I absolutely love this. The white and the gold, so beautiful. So what this device does, it's a massage device for the skin. It works with vibration and LED, and it has 3 different settings. Okay, so the button is in the middle. It's very easy. You push it on and then it goes to the normal setting. The normal setting is vibration only, so you only work with the massage. Okay, then if you would like to go to the cool setting, so then you have blue LED lights here, and you can hear the device. So you have blue LED lights, which is cooling, and you have the vibration going on as well. Okay, and then we have another setting which is hot. So in this case you have red LED, and this, now the device is getting warm. Okay, so it either works at the cool setting or it works at the hot setting, which I just think is incredible. My personal fave is the cooled, so the cool setting. I love how it feels on my skin. It's so good. But first I'm going to talk to you guys about what the different settings do. Right, so how to use the device. First of all, you obviously work on clean skin, so make sure that everything is taken off your face. All makeup, all skincare, everything is off. What you then do is, for the best results, you do apply an oil, or you apply a cream, for example. I personally like to work with an oil. So I clean my skin first, then I apply an oil, and you turn it on. What this device does is it automatically switches to a different setting every 3 minutes. So the total routine, if you would like to work with hot, cold and normal, will take around 9 minutes. However, you can also pick, for example, only the cool setting. So what you do is you just click which one you want, you apply the serum, or you can do it on top of a sheet mask, for example, which I love as well. And you go with upwards movements on the skin. It feels extremely comfortable on the skin, and it basically feels like a facial massage with the cool setting. Okay, the cool setting works amazing on, for example, if you would like to work on depuff your face, if you have, for example, some redness which you would like to cool down. Blue works also great on impurities, blemishes, acne, all sorts of things. And also it works on anti-aging. So this is such an all-rounder. It works so good. So which areas of the face can you treat? So we can obviously work on the lower face, so jaw area. We can also work around cheek area, around the eyes, and you can perfectly fine work also on the forehead. Okay, so always work with movement going up. So we work from the jaw up towards the ear. We work from the cheek, basically that's nose labia fold here, up towards the temple, up towards there, and going over the eye, or here under the eye area. By the forehead you go like that. So you can also kind of drag the eyebrow up a little for that lift. So you can use the device perfectly fine on the eye area as well. Okay, so jaw, I love the effect that it gives here around the cheek area as well. Obviously, do we not all want a little bit of a tighter jaw? I do. So this just works so well on that area, like that. And go over that eyebrow and lift it up, over and up. So you can really work on that lift, and in combination with, for example, either the hot or the cold and the vibration, it just works absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning. Then now I'm going with you guys through the different settings that are actually on the instruction manual that comes with the tool as well. So I would just like to talk to you guys about that. So which mode to use? The cool mode with LED indicator blue is between 6 and 10 degrees below normal room temperature, and it's designed to depuff your face reduce dark circles, reduce inflammation, reduce acne, and visually narrow the pores. So that is the cool setting. Then we have the hot setting as well, which is with red LED, as I showed you already. The temperature is around 40 degrees and is designed to lift your skin, smooth out wrinkles, improve blood circulation and complexion, relieve tension in the muscles, and allow for better penetration of skincare products into the skin. Then last but not least, we do have the normal mode as well. So that is basically with the vibration without LED. Normal mode is due to vibration, microcurrent impulses, and ion therapy is made to restore and revitalize the skin, improve skin turgor, accelerate metabolism, and rise immunity of the skin. You can use one of the 3 modes or combine them depending on the effect that you would like to get. Okay. And the contraindications to use of the device: you should not use this device if you have any skin damage, wounds or scratches. In case if you feel any discomfort while using the massager, you should stop using it immediately. Okay. And also don't use it if you're pregnant. Yeah, no, don't use it when you're pregnant. You can use it when you use Botox or fillers, but the advice is to wait a full 3 weeks before starting with the device, okay? But it is absolutely fine to do use it. How often should you use this device? It is recommended to use the device every day for 5 to 10 minutes after washing your face in the morning and in the evening. You can achieve the maximum desired result after 60 days of continuous use. I think basically with anything in life, you need to do it consistent to get the best results possible. I personally find that absolutely normal because you need to, you know, be consistent with basically everything in your life. It's the same with going to the gym, it's the same with eating healthy, it's the same with drinking water. It makes no sense to do it once. It makes no sense to do it twice. It's the little habits every day that's gonna get you results. And that is exactly the same with this tool. So keep using it for 60 days straight and you are gonna get great results. The price for this device is £299. I personally think it's so worth it, especially if you're really thinking about stepping up your skincare routine. As I told you guys before, there's only so much that you can do at home, and this will really step up your routine because skincare at the end of the day can only do so much. This will really step up your routine, and I personally think it's worth it. If you look into what we actually spend on skincare, what we spend on serums and creams and cleanses and everything, it's a lot. This will be a one-off and you are gonna get plenty of use out of it. It's a great workout for your skin. It's relaxing, it's not painful, it's efficient, it's quick. It's honestly, I feel everything in this device is absolutely worth it. And also, I will already hear some people saying, I don't have the time. I truly think that you do have the time because it's not so long. It only takes, you can do it basically in like 5-10 minutes and that's it. It's, you know, you do have those 5 or 10 minutes. Honestly, you do have that time. How many times do you sit on the sofa and you scroll endlessly through Instagram, endlessly through TikTok? You can use the device instead. So yes, you do have the time, honestly, believe me. I really do think that NL Skin is so worth it. This video isn't sponsored, by the way. However, I did receive the device to try it out, which I'm very thankful for and so lucky because I absolutely love it. But I'm completely honest, my opinions are completely my own, and I truly think that if you want to step up, then look into it. Your skin is gonna thank you, honestly. And also, it's so relaxing. It feels so great on the skin. And of course, I will also leave the website from NL Skin in the description box below. I will also leave the link to this device in the description box below as well. And guys, I would like to thank you for watching my video. I really hope that my voice wasn't too annoying. I hope by my next video that my voice is back to normal and that the cold is finally gone. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope it was helpful. And if you have any questions about the device, I will also leave the contact details from L&L Skin in the description box. They are super helpful and they will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. So thank you so much, and I will see you very, very soon.